bored.
Right, this isn't anything to do with bike prep, but it is holiday prep or trip prep. You might be asking why. Right, I'll show you in a minute, but I have an angle grinder and a safe. You want to explain why or what we're doing?
Well, I can't get in it, so I need to get in it.
Someone's forgotten the code for the safe. It's only
No, it doesn't work.
Oh,
it didn't work. No, it's not working. I couldn't get the batteries either. So.
Well, it won't work in a minute anyway. So anyway, we've got a safe to open. I've got an angle grinder, 20 grinding discs. Let's see what happens. Right, so the aim is to obviously use that angle grinder there, all the discs, to then cut into that safe, because there's some euros in there which are very handy for our trip away. If anyone watching says to me that I'm being a bit dangerous by doing this, I am, but I don't care, it's part of the fun. Now, jokes aside, they're trying to do something like this at home. You know, I know what I'm doing, angle grinder. Just be safer, you know. I've got my glasses, I'm all good. And I'm obviously well protected as well, so. And it's not raining like it was this morning. That'd be very bad. Can I just say at this point, if there's nothing in here, you owe me about £3 in grinding discs, alright? Easy peasy. Right, that was a lot easier than I expected. I expected to go through at least 4 or 5 grinding discs or cutting discs doing that. I bought 20 and I've used 1. So I can't argue with that. There's the hole. What? Well, that's funny. Someone's happy she's got pens out of the safe. That's all she wanted. Not the money, just the pens.
Dirty pens.
Dirty pens. Yeah, well, they've just had grinding, like, you know, sparks over them, so going to be a bit dusty.
Yeah.
What's your favourite pen?
Oh, I don't know.
They probably don't even work now either.
I'll test them out.
Okay. I'm looking that way, but the camera screen's that way. The actual, where my finger is now, that's the lens that's facing on me. So if I'm looking that way, apologies, but I'm supposed to look at my phone that way, but now the camera lens is this way. We're not using GoPros that much anyway for vlogging stuff. It's just messing around really, so this is bonus kind of footage really. So yeah, all GoPros are kind of set up. I've just renamed the one I'm filming on now Sausage 2. Again, I'm looking that way. Sausage 2. So we've got Sausage 1 and Sausage 2. 2 GoPro cameras. I also have a very, I will say cheap because it was cheap, but a budget camera as well, which I'll use for some, I was going to say some rearranged shots then, but that would come out really wrong. My panniers, I've actually got a mount on the back of one of the panniers, so I'll stick one of the cameras on there and every now and again just to get some kind of footage of Claire behind me or something, or stop my phone, of the cars behind, or just, you know, just change the scenery. I might even do like a rear but forward facing view, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just watching YouTube. We're quite coincidentally, I'm watching, Claire's just going to get tea, I'm watching YouTube videos on car crashes in France, believe it or not, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But yeah, no, anyway, so quick test of the GoPro, little mini vlog kind of thing. We're going to go use the phones mainly, but it's just to see if they work. I did actually last night, so we're Sunday now, Sunday before we go. I did actually put my a battery pack with the other GoPro and the 128GB SD card. I turned everything down, basically just like the basic HD setting, nothing flash, nothing fancy, and it lasted, well, you're probably still going, to be fair, it lasted about 8 hours, which I thought was pretty good. We're not going to need all 8 hours in one go, obviously, but so yeah, just a quick GoPro test, see what we are with them. This is all new to us. We're not necessarily running out of time, but we have got very limited time left to sort out little things like this. So the more we do now, the better, really. So anyway, yeah, quick GoPro test. We'll see you soon.